Founded in 2006, Ulike has consistently committed over the past 20 years to delivering the beauty of home to the world, focusing on creating warm, high-quality products. Starting from a 1 square meter dining table, our continuous insight into design, craftsmanship, and market trends has driven us to expand our product lines. Today, Ulike has grown into a comprehensive furniture manufacturer and seller covering a full range of dining room, living room, bedroom, and soft furnishing products. Ulike now boasts over 10,000 product models, an annual export volume of $150 million, and collaborations with clients in over 80 countries worldwide. Ulike Group currently operates a modern furniture industrial park spanning 80,000 square meters, equipped with advanced specialized production lines for ironwork, coating, upholstery, and panel furniture. Our seamless process covers raw material processing to finished product shipping. With automated equipment and a standardized management system, we can produce 2.9 million pieces annually, providing stable and reliable furniture support for global clients. Innovation is our ability to connect with the future. The Ulike Design Center collaborates with international designers across time zones. Ensure each product is both innovative and precisely aligned with market trends. Continuous exploration of new materials and emerging trends allows our designs to meet current needs and anticipate future fashions, empowering continual product renewal. Ulike has more than 10,000 EU IPO registered patents, each serving as a solemn promise that the furniture you select features unique design and reliable quality. New products undergo multiple testing rounds after RAND-D, fatigue durability, overall stability, structural strength, and other tests, with only those meeting all standards proceeding to production. Before delivery, the quality inspection team conducts a secondary review, exterior packaging quality test, full batch color difference test, moisture content check, static load test, closely aligned with laboratory standards. From RAND-D testing to pre-shipment inspection, a double-layer quality control system ensures each piece of furniture upholds our quality promise. Visuals as the second language of the brand. We have built a 2,000 square meter photography studio in-house, which can provide services such as white background photography, scene photography, product video shooting, festive atmosphere photo and video shooting, creative product photography, and visual post-production. We create emotional expressions and scene-based presentations for each piece of furniture to empower customers in sales and promotion. Ulike has a 2,000 square meter exhibition hall where the displays cover full category furniture for dining rooms, living rooms, and bedrooms. It intuitively presents the matching effects of different home scenarios, allowing customers to immerse themselves in the product texture and design style. "20 years of dedicated effort aim to build a trustworthy brand. We balance design and manufacturing to redefine the beauty and quality of home. Our standards exceed requirements, and our quality remains consistent. We grow together with our global partners, expanding the boundaries of living."